Hello my YouTube friend, this is Now Mechanic here, and today I am changing the air filter on my 1997 Hyundai Accent. Actually, I'm not changing it. My little Rose is gonna change it, right? You're gonna show us how we change the filter?
Yep.
Yep. Okay, so the first thing we have to know is that we have three 10mm bowls. It's 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm hoping that we can only take those 3 out and lift it up, and if not, we're gonna have to take out the sensor right here. So let's try those 3 first. Go ahead, mama. So what she has is, first let me just show you what she has. She has a 3/8 ratchet with a long extension and a 10mm socket. Here, mama, you can start doing. Okay, she went right to it. She knows. So take that one out first, mama. There you go. There you go. Okay. Yeah, baby. Keep going until you get it really loose. And then we'll work on the other ones. You can see her concentration. She's concentrating and looking. Is it loosening?
No.
Let me see. Let me just see. I'll guide you. Let it go for a second. It is loose, mama.
It is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Pick it up. Okay. There you go. Now put it back in here. Put it back in the ratchet. There you go.
I just...
Push it in. Gonna let her do it all by herself. It's okay. It's okay. You got it. Watch your feet. There you go. Now this bowl right here is stripped, so it's not fair to her. So she's gonna come over here. Mama, can you reach in this one? Oh, little. You gotta reach out. Come on this side. Come over here. Make it easier for yourself. There you go. Okay. Push it in. Make sure it's in. You gotta make sure it's in first. Look, wait, let me just show you. There you go. Go. Make sure it's straight, not sideways. Because then you're gonna strip it. Then you're gonna have a bigger problem, girl.
What does strip it mean?
Stripping means when something is out of the normal, the thread went out. And that means we'll have to create a new one or buy a new one. Okay. Is it loose? Okay, so what you're gonna do now is, mama, because they loose, here, hold this, hold the ratchet. What you're gonna do is take this,
Put it in?
and go like this, loosen it like I taught you. Give me the ratchet. There you go. There you go. No, you loosen it. You gotta turn it, mama, look, like this. Remember what I told you? There you go.
Oh, I got it spinning.
It's out?
Spinning.
Can you do it by hand now? Spinning it?
Spinning.
It is out. Okay, pick it up. Let it go. Take the, there you go. Now use your hand. Spin it. Spin it from the top this way.
Yeah.
Okay. Good job. Pull it up. Can you pull it up? Not yet. You got a little more to go. There you go. Now, put that one in the side that you don't lose it. You want to create assembly now. Put it on the floor. Okay, here. The same thing you did with this one, you're gonna do with that one. Let me see. No, the socket is in the top. There you go. There you go. Turn it.
There you go.
Got it?
This side?
Yeah, there you go. The same way turning. Now the other way, mama. Lefty
Wow,
loosey.
wow,
There
wow,
you go.
wow. Easy peasy, put it in your pocket. Easy peasy, put it in your pocket.
Do you think you can do it by your hand now?
I think.
Okay, go ahead. See if you can. Oh, you got it.
That was easy.
Okay, so now you keep them both together. See, you create your assembly line.
That
Now,
was easy.
now what we have to do is, by the way, I have the battery cover. I have the battery post cover, just in case she would hit the, hit it with the ratchet. So I got it covered for safety. As you notice, she also got her safety glasses on. Okay, Mama. So we got 2 of them out. Now this one we know is stripped, baby. We know this bolt is stripped right here. So now let's see what else we gotta do, because we don't want to take everything out.
Excuse me, I picked up, guys.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Okay, Mama. Maybe, because I don't want to take the whole thing out, baby. So now, let's see. Let's see if we can just pull it this way. Watch it. Wait. Okay. Maybe we're going to have to take all that out, Mama.
What thing?
All this, in order just to take this cover out. I'm trying to see.
This one was easy.
Huh?
This one was easy.
That one was easy?
Yeah, the orange one.
Yeah? We probably going to have to take the whole thing out, Mama. Okay, I'm going to have to take this screen right here for her.
What? What?
This. So I'm going to have to take this one out for him. I don't want her to be playing with this little pointy stuff.
You said
So I'm going
him.
to take it out.
Him.
Oh, I forgot. You are her, not a him. So I'm going to pull the filter out for her. Okay, baby. So what you're going to do now, Mama, come here. You're going to have to come around. You're going to have to pick up the box. I think you can pick up the box.
The box.
Yeah. Okay. I'm having problems, Rose.
What?
Oh, there was another one over here, Rose. Look. There's another one over here. Oh, my God. Daddy.
Can I have it?
Yes, you can take it out. Come on. I don't think you can reach this one. Oh, my God. That's a daddy blooper. Wait.
A daddy blooper?
A daddy blooper. Where you put the ratchets? Over there, Mama. Look. They're going to laugh at us, Rose.
They are?
Yeah, right there. Take the ratchet.
Oh, it's heavy.
Put this in there. Let's go. That's my bad. I said it was only 1, 2, 3, but it's actually 4. There's another one over here. So it's not my daughter's 4. It's my 4. Come on, Mama. Can you reach all the way over there? Can you reach? Oh, good job, girl. Go ahead, turn it. Make sure it's straight. Okay, let me make it easier for you. Go, pull it. Pull that. Pull the ratchet. No, pull the ratchet. There you go. How about now?
Good.
There you go. You moving with the whole ratchet?
Yeah.
Okay. She's moving with the whole ratchet. This is going to be a fun video right here. Is it loosening?
I think.
You think so?
I don't think.
Let me see. Let me check if it's loose already. Let me see. Watch it. Yeah, it's loose.
Let me take it.
So now, all you have to do is there. Here. Grab it. Pull it. Go. Boy. That was Daddy's blooper. You got it in there? You got it. She got to reach all the way. That's why I got the battery covered too. Is it spinning? You can't reach, huh? I'm going to let you do it, girl. Because that's the way life is. There you go. You got it. You found a way. She's tippy-toeing. You almost got it?
I think it's done.
It's done, but take it out. Look. All you have to do is spin it.
Spin, spin, spin.
Spin. There you go.
Are you done?
I don't know. You tell me. You're the one doing it, not me. It's just a little hard for you, huh? You going to try with your hand? She's going to try with her hand. Okay, there she goes again.
I'm a kid, you know, guys. It's my birthday. I'm 5.
I'm going to make it easier for you. Wait, Mom. I'm going to get you a stand. Oh, you got it out? She got it out. Show them. Okay, where's it gonna go? Let me see. So you got it with the assembly line. Come on. All right. So that was my 4, everybody. Let me just show you one time. It's actually 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This one right here is stripped, so this is not fair to her. So I'm gonna see without taking all this out. I took the sensor out of here for her because I didn't want her to be playing with anything pointy. And I'm gonna ask her to pick it up to see if we can take the filter out. Okay, Mama, pick it up. You know what? Let me get you a stand, Mama. I'll be right back. My friends, I got her a stand, and what she's gonna do is, Mama, pick up the cover. Just pick it up right here. Okay. So we're gonna take out the cover and just pull it out. But she's picking it up. There you go. Let it go, Mama. That was a good job. So all we did was, because we didn't want to take all this thing out to make it easier, we just loosened it up and we picked it up. And she picked it up and I took the filter out. Let me see the condition. Okay, Mama, grab your, there you go. Take it out.
This side.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's not in this side. Whoa.
Good job.
White and pink.
White and pink?
Pink.
Okay.
You tell me. You have to tell me.
All right, you pulled it. Now, Rose, I want to ask you a question if you was paying attention. How does the filter go? Does it go in like this or does it go in like this?
Like that.
Like this? So go ahead, put it. I'm going to pick it up for you. Wait, I'll pick it up for you. There you go. Take your time. No, put it in this side. From here. There you go. Go. There you go. Put it right in. It's like a puzzle. Like a puzzle, girl.
Puzzle?
Mm-hmm. Like a puzzle. Put it in. If that side's too high, look, you got one side in. Come on. You can do it, baby. You can do it. All right. Go now. Is it all the way in?
Wait.
There you go. That's a good eye. Good eye. All around. How about over there? Is it all the way in over there?
Yeah.
Everything is in? You sure?
Wait. Is it squishy? Yeah.
Is it squishy down there?
Yeah, squishy.
Let me see. Let me make sure you put it right.
Squishy, squash, squish, squash.
So it's squishy squashy in there?
Yeah.
Okay. So now let's see over here. Is it squishy squashy over here? Look.
Squish, squash, wait. Squish, squish, squish.
Okay, so now what you're going to do, you got to put this together. Make sure it's even all around. Look around, see if it's down. It's down? You don't see the orange? How about over there? You see it?
No.
Okay, so here, I'm going to give you this. And you're going to put these back. Where that one goes at?
Only this one?
That one goes over here. Now I'm going to give it to you. Do it by hand first. There you go. Make sure it goes down.
Is it for me or like this?
Yes, you're doing it correct. You're doing it right. Okay. Good job.
It's almost done.
It's almost done. Then we'll use the wrench. Excuse me, the ratchet to put it down. Okay. You don't want to put it really tight. Okay. Now this one goes over there. You remember where?
Right here?
You got it in?
Yeah.
Make sure you get the other hole.
Here?
Yep.
Oh.
You got it in?
One in.
Went in?
Over here?
Okay, yep. Make sure you tie it up.
Are you
In?
serious?
Okay. Now this one, where it goes?
Let me see. I'm just doing it on front.
Okay, so bring your little stool with you. Go.
Where is it?
Oh, you tell me, where is it?
There's a bug in your car.
There's a bug in my car?
Yeah. It is in there.
I think you put the wrong one there.
No.
Maybe not.
I got it.
You got it? Okay. Now get your long extension right there. The long one.
This?
Yes. Right here. You're going to do it by hand first.
By hand?
Yep.
Oh, like this or like this?
There you go.
The right is for...
Oh, you're doing it good. So now, use your extension with the socket. Put the socket in there.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
There you go.
Go in. Is it this side or this
Yeah,
side?
there you go.
Spin, spin. Come on, spin, Black. Come on. Come on.
Is it tight?
Whoa.
If it's tight, it's okay. Let me see.
It's down.
It's down?
All the way down.
Yeah, you need a little more.
That's it, that's it, that's it.
That's it.
Okay, that's it.
This one over here, Mama? No, not that one, because that one is stripped. Over here, you're going to have to come back. Oh, no, do this one first. You know more than me, girl. You know where all of them are at. I didn't even know that one was there. There you go. Push it down. Good job. That's
Down.
it. We got one more. You're going to have to take your little stool with you.
By the wheel,
Yep.
tire, whatever.
You sound like me.
My mom. My mommy. I sound like my mommy. Because my mommy says whatever.
That's what she says?
Yeah? What? What are you looking at?
I'm looking at you work, girl. Good. It's
Tight.
nice and tight?
Yeah.
Okay, let me check it out now. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm going to check it out. Give me.
What's this?
Okay, it was a little loose, but that one is good. This is the one that was stripped. So we can't do nothing about that.
Can I go in the front so I can see better?
You want to go to the front? No, you got to put this sensor in first. Come on.
Where?
Come over here. Come here.
Coming.
You see this right here? This is a sensor. I want you to plug it in. Just push it in.
Like this?
Yep.
Whoa. Go
Is it?
inside. No.
Good job. Good job. Good job. Okay. So here we go, my friends. You have actually 4 10mm bows. One right here.
1,
2,
2,
3,
and 4.
and 4. So basically what me and my daughter did was we took all 4 of them out. We disconnected the sensor. We could have unplugged all this right here, but we just lifted up. You saw us lift it up, and then what she did was she put it down. She didn't put it this way. She already knew you're gonna. I asked her the question. He said it goes like this. So you're gonna. What she did was she put it in. She made sure that all around was nice and flush. That it was nice and flush.
Ow, ow,
And
ow.
this is how you change the filter, the air filter on a 1997 Hyundai Accent. Thank you for watching. This is Now Mechanic.
101, and I put my shoes wrong.
You put your shoes wrong? No, you didn't. They're all right. Thank you for watching.
Thumbs up.